You don't need to be brilliant to crack CAT. You need direction. Let's begin. If you are starting CAT 2026 and feeling overwhelmed by syllabus, books, and strategies, relax. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to study, what to skip, and how to prepare smartly. Before books, before mocks, before coaching, know the syllabus, fix your target score, and then plan your preparation. That's how CAT is cracked. CAT 2026, Exam Overview. Mode, Computer-based test, online. Duration, 120 minutes, 2 hours. Total questions, 68. Sections, Verbal Ability or Reading Comprehension, VARC. Data Interpretation or Logical Reasoning, DILR. Quantitative Aptitude, Marking, +3 for correct MCQs. -1 for incorrect MCQs. No negative for some non-MCQ, TETA, questions. Verbal Ability or Reading Comprehension, VARC. This section assesses English language skills, comprehension, and verbal reasoning. Key topics, long and short reading comprehension passages, main idea, inference, tone. Para jumbles, para summary. Sentence completion. Grammar usage. Verbal logic. Analogy and vocabulary. Inference-based questions. Preparation tip. Focus heavily on reading scholarly essays, editorials, and novels to improve comprehension speed and accuracy. You can follow these books for your VARC. Analytical reasoning or reading comprehension, Ajay Singh. Good for verbal logic or MCQ style practice. Word Power Made Easy, Workbook Edition, Norman Lewis. Different from the main book, lots of drill practice. Reading between the lines, mock tests or RC workbooks. Compiles non-fiction long RC passages. Practice. RC practice books from lesser publishers, Arihant, Kiran's, Brainbag. IELTS GMAT RC collections. Hard passages help CAT RC skill. Quantitative Aptitude, Quant. This is the math and problem solving section based mostly on class 10 to 12 concepts. Core topics, arithmetic, percentages, ratios, averages, time work, speed distance. Algebra, equations, inequalities, functions, sequences. Geometry or mensuration, circles, triangles, polygons. Number systems. Modern math, permutation or combination, probability, logarithms. Data-based calculation problems. Practice tip, focus on mental calculation and quick problem solving. Follow these books for quant. Practice book on quantitative aptitude, Kiran publication mix of competitive math problems beyond the usual. Quantitative aptitude, Sarvesh K. Verma, topic wise. Good for deeply understanding arithmetic plus application. Geometry or mensuration, Geometry Revisited, or plain geometry workbooks. More rigorous than typical CAT books. Supplemental resources. GMAT Quant books, Kaplan, Manhattan Prep. Advanced problem solving style expands thinking. Data interpretation or logical reasoning, DILR. This section tests your analytical, reasoning, and problem solving ability. Important topics, data interpretation, tables, bar, line, pie charts, caselets. Logical reasoning, seating arrangements, puzzles, syllogisms. Games or tournaments. Venn diagrams. Binary logic or sequencing. Mixed D plus LR sets. Strategy, solve mixed sets and caselets regularly, speed and accuracy are key. Follow these resources. Quick DILR for CAT, Nishit K. Sinha, separate D or LR sets. Focuses on individual problem types. DLR Puzzle Book, 2nd edition, not mainstream. Harder sets with alternative logic. Puzzle Masters, Logical Reasoning Challenge books. Not specific to CAT, but excellent for reasoning mindset. Other sources. CAT level logic sets from Gray, GMAT-LR materials. These often train the unconventional thinking. CAT 2026 Monthly Study Planner, month-wise. Month 1, Foundation Reset, Basics plus Habit Building. VARC, Reading Habit, 30 to 40 minutes daily. RC Basics, Main Idea. Inference vs Fact. Ver Basics, Para Summary. Sentence Logic. Quant. Percentages. Ratios or proportion. Averages. DILR. Tables or simple charts. Linear arrangements. Watch the complete study plan in the second video.